here with the Facebook group VIPKid Teachers Wanted and also the website VIPKidTeachersWanted.com. There was a brand new change to the VIPKid hiring process that was started today. It is May the 27th. Anyway, it's Memorial Day in 2019. And so there is a new change to the process that I want to make sure that you understand. And that has to do with the interview stage. Before this, the interview stage, if you were doing the live or the recorded demo, the demo class, you were teaching a lesson called My Feelings. They switched that on us this morning, and it is now a lesson called Me, Myself, and I. The good thing is it's only 5 minutes now. Woohoo! 5 minutes of teaching time is all you have to do for this lesson. So they're simplifying it for you and for them. It takes less time for them. It takes less time for you to only teach this 5-minute lesson. So I'm excited about that for you. But I wanted to show you exactly how to teach it. Now, I just finished another video that is a longer one that goes through and explains the whole process, and it explains the teaching style and how you need to set up your classroom and all that stuff. That one's going to be on YouTube soon, but also this one, I'm just going to do the slides. Okay, I'm just going to teach the slides in exactly 5 minutes. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need a timer. When you practice for this, you need to have a timer. Also, when you do this actually for your interview, you need to have a timer as well. So you can use the one on your phone, it's fine. Just make sure that you have your phone set where the screen doesn't go to a black screen after a minute or two, if you got that on the normal settings. So use your timer on your phone and practice so that you are saying hello right as you begin and bye-bye, see you next time, right when you hit the 5-minute mark, because they will cut you off exactly at 5 minutes. And it's no problem. I don't think it's any problem to finish all of the slides in this one. You should be able to do that easily within 5 minutes. Okay, so let's start these slides, and I'm going to show you exactly how to teach them. I don't want you to go into this though with a script in mind of I'm going to teach this lesson this way because this is the way Teacher Penny said to teach it, or this is the way the videos on the website show, or whatever. Use your creativity. Show them that you know how to teach. And not just follow a script, okay? You use your own creativity on this. So mine might be slightly different than what you see on the VIPKid website. It's still the same. It's still the same type of lesson. I'm still achieving the objectives, but I might use just a tiny bit, something a little bit different. That's showing my creativity. I'm adapting to this student, or whatever, okay? Now remember that you're going to be teaching a student. This is going to be, the interviewer is going to be pretending to be a 5-year-old Chinese child with very limited English, so you're going to limit that language and everything. So here we go. This is how I would teach the new Me, Myself, and I simplified demo is what it's called, okay? Hello. Hi. My name is Teacher Penny. What's your name? Rebecca? Hi, Rebecca. My name is Rebecca. Yay! How are you? I am happy. I am happy. Yay! Good job, Rebecca. Look, soccer ball. Yay, a soccer ball. If you do a good job, you get a soccer ball. Yay! Good. Good. Oh, sad. Sad. Oh, sad. Sad. He is sad. He is sad. He is sad. Oh, yes. Circle sad. Yes. Circle sad. Yes. Good. Good. sad, sad. He is sad. He is sad. Who is sad? Yes, circle. He is sad. He is sad. Yes, good. Who is happy? Yes. Who is happy? She is happy. She is happy. Yes. Is she sad? No, she is not sad. She is happy. Yay, you get a soccer ball. Woohoo! Good. Yes. Oh, happy? Happy. Yes. Sad. Sad. She is happy? No, she is not happy. She is sad? Yes, she is sad. Draw a line. She is sad. Ooh, yay, good. Good job. Egg. 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 D. Egg. D. Egg. D. Egg. Dig. Dig. Yes. Good. W. Egg. W. Egg. W. Egg. Wig. Yes, wig. Good. Yes, Mig. Mig. Yay, great job. Good job. You get a soccer ball. 1 soccer ball. 2 soccer balls. 3 soccer balls. Yay! Good job, Rebecca. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye, Rebecca. Good. And that is 5 minutes. Okay, so you see exactly how much you can do, how much you can't do. Notice that I used a different extension that they show in the slides. They show she is happy, but I also did the negative. Is she happy or is she sad? No, she is not sad. They are already learning that positive and negative answer. They're learning how to give you the not answer as well as the positive one. So that's a great one to use as well. Just understand that any of those work. Just as long as you accomplish the purpose of the slide first, then you can extend with some other things in there. Okay, I hope that helped you out. So you need to be finishing right exactly at 5 minutes. No problem doing that one. I ended up giving 3 soccer balls. Maybe you could give one more, have 4 soccer balls in there with just a 5-minute lesson. As long as you give 3, maybe 4 rewards throughout the lesson, you should be fine there. Okay, if you have questions, please find me on Facebook in VIPKid Teachers Wanted, or you can email me at teacherpennyvipkid@gmail.com. Be sure and add use my referral link to apply, or add my code, which is Penny0008. If you look in the top right corner on the VIPKid website where it says My Account, then where it says Add Referring Teacher or Add Referral Code, put in Penny0008, and that way I can help you more through the process. Thanks so much. I appreciate your time. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.